Officer 911, do you need police, fire?
Hey, off-duty APD, APA 063, I've shots fired, 2400 Wickersham Lane.
2400 Wickersham Lane?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how many did you hear?
What's that?
How many was it?
I have a victim, the driver, the other vehicle, he has a gun. I'm not shot. I need EMS over here.
I'm bringing them on.
Ambulance, what's the address of the emergency? Ambulance, what is the address of the emergency?
EMS is an off-duty officer. He's at 2400 Wickersham Lane.
Is 2500 Wickersham?
Yeah.
2400 at the High Point Apartments.
No, I'm sorry, 2500 Wickersham Lane, 2500 in the street. Hey, drop your gun! Awesome police! He's moving, he's got a gun in his hand.
Okay. We're gonna stage for officers to...
No, don't stage. I'm APD. He's got a gun in his hand. I need officers now.
Yeah.
I'm an awesome police officer.
APD is on the way. EMS is gonna stage.
Yeah, EMS needs a stage.
Okay.
Oh, man, let me see your hands. Hands up, man. EMS is coming. Put your hands up. Hey, hands up, man. He's hanging out the door. He had a gun in his hand. There's a passenger. She's lying on the ground, female passenger.
Okay, so tell me exactly what happened.
It was a road rage incident. I was driving, and he cut me off, and he pointed a gun at me.
Okay, is anybody injured?
Yes, the driver of the other vehicle, he's shot. Put your gun down. Austin police, put your gun down. Don't make me shoot you again, man. It's the police. I don't know if the passenger shot or not. She's lying on the ground.
Okay, that's all right. We do have APD dispatch on the line. Do y'all want fire resources as well?
Yes, sir. My AP is 8063.
80.
Hey, just keep your hands up, man. Lie down on the ground and keep your hands up. Okay, the female passenger, she's lying on the ground. She's saying, my baby, my baby, my baby. The driver, he's standing. He's got blood all over his face. He's standing. I don't know if he's still got the gun in his hand or not.
Okay. Is there a baby involved, or is she pregnant? Do we not?
I have no idea. I don't know. I have no idea. She's just saying, my baby. I'm not approaching the vehicle. I'm standing behind my vehicle.
I totally understand.
All right, there's units coming right now. There's units coming right now.
Do you know if he's awake and breathing?
Yeah, he's standing up right now.
Okay.
Hey, put your gun down, man. It's the police. All right, units are here. Can I disconnect?
Yeah, I'll go and check.
Don't reach in your pocket. Don't reach in your pocket. Do not reach in your pocket. Put your hands up! got a gun, just like you know it's got a gun in the driver's side. Get back. Oh, my God, I'm going to get up. Come on! Put your hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Manos arriba! Put your hands up! Don't reach! Do not reach! Okay. Do not reach for your gun! No! Do not reach! Don't reach! Put your hands up! Walk! Turn around! Walk! No, keep walking! Walk away from the car! Now! Turn around! Stop! Alto! No! Get over there! No, don't reach! Do not go on the car! Do not reach! He's reaching? I do not reach! Hey! Alto! Over here! Alto! No! Do not reach! Alto!
Hey! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Put your hands up!
Put your hands up! Manos arriba!
Got a gun, just like you know it's got a gun in the driver's side. I don't know.
Manos arriba!
He had pointed it at me.
Manos arriba!
Want me to get back or no?
Yeah, get back.
Okay. I have my gun, I'm gonna put it up, okay? Turn around!
Manos arriba! Put your hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
Manos arriba!
Put your hands up! Don't reach! Do not reach!
Got a gun there in the driver's seat. Okay. Do not reach for your gun. No!
Do not do it! Do not reach!
Put your hands up! Walk! Turn around! Walk!
Come on, keep walking!
Walk away from the car! Now! Turn around! Stop! Alto!
No! Get away from her! No, don't reach!
Do not go in the car!
Do not reach! He's reaching? Alright, do not reach!
Hey! Alto!
Over here!
Alto! No!
Do not reach! Do not reach!
Alto!